Aesthetically, perhaps I'm not too pleasing. You wouldn't introduce me to your friends. Your shoulder isn't cold, my love, it's freezing. Toward all the falling poetry I've penned. Though I may be offensive to your senses, was yet to your sensibilities. I know when I'm around, I'll never lower your defenses, but your heart loses its stability. You'll never know what it's like to be me. How can you empathize with a different breed? You'll never know what it's like to be me at all. I wasn't born